What we have here is a 2024 Cadillac CT5 Blackwing with the supercharged 6.2 liter engine. Baseline on this car was 593 wheel horsepower. The Blackwing engine is an amazing platform to work with. It responds extremely well to performance upgrades, such as ported supercharger, big throttle body, better air intake system, and pulling it down for more boost. The factory exhaust system on this car sounds amazing already from the factory, but when you add the Kooks headers and X-pipe, it makes it sound that much better. There's the baseline run of 593 wheel horsepower. So this is the first pull on the dyno after the Kooks header installation. We installed Kooks long tube headers and X-pipe assembly utilizing the factory catback system. As you can see in the final dynograph, the area under the curve gain from the headers is pretty substantial. The peak horsepower went from 593 to 610, and as you can see in the area under the curve, which is the most critical area, there are nice gains of 30 plus horsepower to the wheels. We can also fully tune the Global B PCM platform that this car has and pick up even more power.